model blending is a method that combines multiple smaller chat AI models to achieve performance comparable to or better than a single large model, like a trillion parameter LLM. Instead of generating outputs from all the models simultaneously, it stochastically selects which model will generate the next response in a multi-turn conversation. This blending approach allows smaller moddings, such as 3 models with 6 to 13 billion parameters each, to outperform a larger, more resource-intensive model like ChatGPT with 175 billion parameters. Overall, it retains high engagement and quality while keeping computational costs lower.